Join me as I take on the challenge of starting my very own affiliate marketing business from scratch, and I'll share every step of the journey with you. Affiliate marketing is a proven way to make money online, and in 2024, it's more relevant than ever. As a beginner, you might be wondering what all the fuss is about, but trust me, it's an opportunity you won't want to miss.
Know you've been a good friend.
When I first started out, I faced some common challenges that many beginners experience. One of the biggest hurdles is choosing the right niche. You see, a niche is a specific area of interest or expertise that you'll focus on, and picking the wrong one can lead to failure before you even get started. I've seen people waste weeks, even months, trying to promote products that just don't resonate with them or their audience. Another challenge is finding the right affiliate programs. There are so many out there, and it's hard to know which ones are legit, which ones will pay you, and which ones will help you grow your audience. I've spent hours researching only to find out that a program doesn't offer the kind of commissions I need to make it worthwhile. Then of course there's the issue of creating content. You need to produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience, but how do you do that? Do you focus on blog posts, videos, social media, or something else entirely? The possibilities are endless, and it's easy to get overwhelmed. Finally, there's the fear of failure. What if I invest all this time and energy and I don't see any results? What if I'm just not good enough? These are all valid concerns, and they can hold you back from taking action. Let's break down the step-by-step process of setting up affiliate marketing. First, you need to select a niche that aligns with your passions and expertise. This is crucial because it will make your content creation so much easier. For example, if you're a fitness enthusiast, you might choose a niche like weight loss or muscle gain. Once you've got your niche, you can start finding affiliate programs that offer products related to that niche. Next, you'll need to create content. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, social media posts, or even podcasts. The key is to create content that adds value to your audience. You want to educate, entertain, or inspire them in some way. When you do this, you'll start to build trust and credibility with your audience. After that, you need to drive traffic to your content. This can be through paid advertising, SEO, or social media marketing. The goal is to get your content in front of as many people as possible. Finally, you need to monetize your content by promoting affiliate products. This is where you'll earn commissions from sales made through your unique affiliate link. One of the most inspiring things about affiliate marketing is seeing real-life examples of people who have achieved success. Take, for instance, Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, who makes over $100,000 per month from her affiliate marketing business, or Pat Flynn, who has built a multi-million-dollar empire through his affiliate marketing efforts. These people are proof that it's possible to make a real income from affiliate marketing. But what's even more inspiring is seeing how they got to where they are today. Michelle started out as a debt-ridden blogger, but she worked tirelessly to build her audience and promote products that resonated with them. Pat Flynn started out as a struggling architect, but he saw an opportunity to create and promote digital products that solved real problems for people. These stories show that anyone can achieve success with affiliate marketing, no matter where they start. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a proven way to make money online, but it does take effort and dedication. Remember to choose a niche you're passionate about, find affiliate programs that align with your values, create content that adds value, drive traffic to your content, and monetize your content by promoting affiliate products. If you're ready to take the first step towards building your own affiliate marketing business, I encourage you to take action today. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. The only way to achieve success is to start taking action. Hey, thanks for watching. If you've got any thoughts or questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, be sure to check out my next video on advanced affiliate marketing strategies.